Okay, it's holiday season and I'm here to explain a product to you because my cool blankie and pillows on the couch are being sent to storage for the holidays. So they could be replaced with pretty holiday-oriented blankets and uncomfortable pillows and all that kind of stuff. And what are we gonna do with my cool stuff to keep it safe during this period of time? We're gonna store it under the bed. And here is a 2-pack of storage containers, which I'm gonna show you. And hopefully when I pull them out, they won't be smaller than I expected and this will be a fail, but let's check them out. So these are 4.5 inches tall. Let me show you, this is the bottom, so you'll get a feel for the size of it. So obviously that's like a perfect size to slide underneath the bed. Let's see what the rest of it looks like. Oh, wow. Okay, talk about a fast assembly. I didn't expect this. I expected to have to do a little editing and set this thing up for you, but it really just unfolds perfectly. You put the bottom in it. How great is that? So that's what it looks like. You're gonna put my cool pillows, my team-oriented stuff, my fan stuff, my cool comfy blanket for watching football games, all going underneath the bed, gonna be stored until we get rid of the uncomfortable and very pretty and not touchable pillows and all that kind of stuff for the holidays. But look at that. How cool is that? This was so simple, so cool. It is a 2-pack. This is nice and solid too. I'm not sure what else somebody could want. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.